Hey, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. My name is Felix, and today's video we're going to talk about my dividend income or my passive income for the month of November. So I tallied out all the income that I receive from my investments, from my rental, from my retirement accounts and things like that, and we add them all up and we came up with a total, and we're going to go over that total and see some of the companies that I own and that paid out dividends for the month of November. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and if you'd like to make money, hit that like button. So let's get started. Alright, so here's my TD Ameritrade account, and we can see here from November 1st to November 30th, this is the amount of dividends I received for the month. Some of the dividend companies that I currently own and they paid out in November, JP Morgan, $3.60, Bristol Myers Squibb. This company is right now still attractive price, so those of you make sure to check out my previous video. I covered this stock here, generated $67.50 for the month. CVS is also a nice price company right now, $26.50. I own Verizon also. I bought it in the March low, so I'm very happy with my position right now. I think it's slightly fairly valued to overvalue for Verizon. AT&T, $158. I think that was my biggest payment. No, actually AbbVie at $168. John Deere, $21. EPD, $96. Apple, $1.26. General Dynamics, $17. Realty Income, $10. OHI, $85. The British Tobacco International, $96 for the month. Caterpillar, $29. AMP, $16. Group, there's another company that if you've been watching a lot of my videos, I covered this company. Right now I already obtained $157. This company was very undervalued for the most part of the year, and I took advantage of it. I'm actually up around 20% now and collecting a nice 6% dividend yield, and a very safe dividend at that. Carrier, this was a spinoff from Real-Time Technology. MSM, $15. Starbucks, $4. Williams-Sonoma at $26, and ABC. I only have one or two share of this company. Actually, I bought it waiting to buy more, but then it ran up. So right now I think it's fairly valued or so. But if we go to my spreadsheet, you can see here I have a spreadsheet where I put all this information in monthly, and then for the month I received $1,167.18 for the month of November. This was 41% increase from last year of November 2019, which came in at $827. So it's a very nice increase of 41%. And actually, you can see here for the year, I'm actually up almost 30% increase from $8,700 in total dividends for the year to right now about $11,184. And obviously December started to come in, so I'm expected to make around $1,300 or so for December. So this is gonna jump this over $12,300. So I'm very happy about that. I already surpassed last year dividend income. And if we go look at my rental income, you can see here, my tenant actually just paid for this month's rent as well. But November, $750. This for the year, you can see here I made $9,000 in rental income, and basically I just rent out my room and other bathroom for basically a roommate. I own the unit, and he pays me $750 for the month for rent. So that was nice there. And if we look at my Roth IRA account, I made $130. A lot of these companies that I currently have in my Roth IRA I own in my taxable account as well, like AbbVie, $45. I don't own this company in my taxable account, which is American Express. I made $9.10 for the month. Bristol Myers, again, $18. CVS, $7. Let me see here, General Dynamics, $19, and Verizon, $27. But you can see here $130 for the month of November. December is when you see mostly the big increase in income, because I do have some index funds. And you can see here December's big last year came in at $2,100. So I'm expecting something similar to that for this month of December. So total passive income for the year, or for November, will came in at $2,000.47, of $2,047.62, excuse me. and this was up 63% from 2019 November, which I made $1,637.02. So overall, looks great. I beat the year total by 19% or almost 20% for the year. I'm very happy about that. You can see my total income from all my accounts, from rental, all this is passive income since 2012. I've made $86,742.16. So that's very good. Almost 100 grand in complete passive income that I made in these, basically 7-8 years. So overall, I'm very happy. You can see here the chart. This is the compound effect. This chart just covers the dividend income from my taxable account. But overall, you can see the compound growth there, which is something the first few years in dividend investing, you don't see that. All right, so those were my income report for the month of November. You can see the compound effect is really taking effect now. The first few years, again, it's kind of slow. It's kind of like climbing uphill until you reach to the top, and then it starts to, as the month goes on, you see 20-30% increase in your income, and obviously you continue investing as well, with which has helped grow that income. But overall, very happy with the month of this September. Made over $2,000 in passive income. Super happy about that. Again, guys, if you do this video because of kind of like a motivation for you guys to show you, I was making, $5 in one month, $10 in another month when I first started. It's been, 7 years of investing, and getting to a point where I'm making $2,000 a month, so of passive income. So that's great. But again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like to make money, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.